Hi, and welcome to the Tradebox video on upgrading Tradebox to the latest build. So this video is for existing Tradebox users who have Tradebox installed on their PC, and it's going to walk you through uninstalling Tradebox and installing the latest build. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our Tradebox, and you can see that I've got Tradebox on the open screen, and this is a screen that shows you what your email and your password is. So at this point, what we would suggest you do is to take a copy of your email. You can use the little eye icon there to show you what your password is, copy that, paste both of those into a notepad and save that for later use. The reason that we suggest this is because when you upgrade Tradebox, it's going to wipe out these logon credentials. And if you don't know what they are, you won't be able to log into Tradebox. You'll need to contact Tradebox support. Okay, so we'll open up Tradebox. Just going to maximize that. We go to the support page. And the support page is going to tell you what the version of the software that you're using. It's also going to show you what the service PC is. So this is important. If you've got Tradebox installed on multiple PCs, one of those PCs is going to be your main Tradebox service PC. And this is the PC that does all of the hard work. It's the PC that goes and connects to your sales channels, downloads your orders, posts them across to your account software. So you can see here which is the service PC. This is the PC name. If you look across on the right hand side, it will also tell you what the current computer name is, the computer that you're logged in on. Now if they're the same, then this is your service PC. If they're not, then you need to install Tradebox on the service PC first. What you also need to do is fully close down Tradebox on all of the PCs you've got it installed upon. So the best way to do that is to right click on your taskbar, choose Task Manager, and then in the search bar at the top here, just type Tradebox. You'll see an app and some background processes. So just select these and choose End Task. Just cancel that back up. And then I'm going to close these background processes. Okay, so that's Tradebox fully closed down on this PC. Next thing to do is to uninstall it. So again, if I go to my search bar and I choose Control Panel, pop open Control Panel, Programs and Features, scroll down to Tradebox and choose Uninstall. Okay, that's Tradebox removed from that list. Just to make sure that uninstall worked properly, I'm just going to go to the Program Files x86 and make sure I don't have a Tradebox folder. Okay, so Tradebox is installed. Again, back to our website, choose the support button into this article, and if we scroll down we can see we have a link there to download Tradebox. So I've already done this. That is sitting in my downloads folder, and so I'm just going to double click on this, click on next, accept the terms, next, install. Okay, and then choose launch the program and finish. Okay, up pops my login screen. I can see that my user email and my password are there. Yours won't be. And then if we go to support, you can see that the program version is on the latest build. If you've got any questions or need any assistance, you can choose the Contact Tradebox button. That opens up the request, fill in the form, submit it, and one of the team will be back to you to answer any questions that you may have. Okay, thank you.